Well, hello, class. I'm so much looking forward to getting together with you guys. Many of you I've had in my classes before as freshmen, and looking forward to seeing you again. Some of you are new. We're only meeting once a week, and when you meet for 2.5 hours once a week, you got to get the most out of everything that you do. That's quite obvious. But what I want to share with you is that I'm going to try to divide each 2.5 hour class. It's late in the day on a Monday, and I'm aware of the fact that some of you are athletes, you're playing sports, it's a day of classes, you're hungry. I get all that. So I'm going to try to divide each one of the classes into two sections, one for theory, which would be what I put in the reading, listening, and viewing sections here on Blackboard. And the other one is going to be for learning activities. And learning activities are essentially case studies that we're going to review in class. So I think you'll like the book. It really analyzes a lot of cases, and it brings organizational behavior to another level rather than just, you know, a traditional textbook where you memorize a whole bunch of stuff and play it back to the teacher. I don't think learning is the best that way, especially at the junior and senior level of students. So my goal here is to make sure that, to keep us all interested for the entire period, that we get involved in case study discussions. For those of you that remember when you were freshmen, I usually had three modalities of learning. The first modality is 3 individual assignments for the semester, 3 case studies, which I will assign you, and we will present them in class in one of our classes. This course is maxed out, so we're probably going to have 5 groups here, which is not a problem. But I'm going to allow you to pick your groups, and we'll do that the first night of class. And the other thing is you're going to do a term-long project. And I made a nice video about that. I think that what you should do is review that video before you come to your first class next Monday. I'm making this video right now. It's Martin Luther King Day, so it'll be a week from today. But here again, we're 1 week behind the 8 ball because of the holiday. And any other holidays that fall on Monday, we're subjected to that day of not having class. So I wanted to make sure, I don't think there are any others outside of spring break, but I want to make sure that you get the maximum benefit of the material in the class. And each one of the weekly modules, I'll populate it week by week, so we're not looking too far ahead, but you'll know what you have to do. So basically, this is what's going to happen our first week. We're going to go over the syllabus, we'll introduce each other. Many of us know each other already, some of us don't. But then you will pick a team, you will allow yourselves to go into 5 different teams. We're going to use 5 different teams, give them unique names, and you will see these names in Blackboard right to the left of this announcement section. It looks like I'm going to my right, but it's really my left because obviously this is transformed. It's like looking in a mirror. It's weird. Anyway, so that's what's going to happen on the first night of class, which will be a week from today. And I believe that'll be the 28th. See you at 4:15.